friends, in this video I'll be talking about how you can do keyword research within no time. So let's get started. If you don't know anything about keyword research, don't worry. First you need to type in Google, like Google AdWord. Once you click on it, you'll get this Google AdWord co.in, and you need to click on this. But remember one thing, you should be signed in. As you can see here, I am signed in with my Gmail account. You can click on this and you'll find option tools. You need to select keyword planner. Once you will select keyword planner, it will help you to find new keywords. Here you can see, you can select by bit, by rupees, but it is for PPC, pay per click. Now see, if you want a targeted audience to be only in India, you can remove this and you can choose whatever country you want. You can select a particular language, like say for example, if I want English, I can choose it very easily. After that, Google or Google and search partners, if you want, this is for your targeted audience. You can choose any negative keyword. If you don't want any keyword to be appear in your results, you can type any keyword in your this box, and easily you can select. Now this here you can see the right box, search for keywords. You can select and you can here type best SEO companies. So once you'll click on it, or you can type SEO companies, and you can give your URL or your landing page. Here you can see you can modify your research or search by selecting any of this. Like for multiple keyword, you can select this. If you want your keyword for according to target, you can select this. And if you want your keywords and with some group ideas, you can select the first one. Here you can select any categories. If you are means you can select any of this categories, and even if you leave it as it is done, it doesn't matter. Here you can see add group ideas. This will show you like this is for PPC, because here it is showing suggested bid, means how much particular companies are paying for this particular keyword to show their ads in Google. Here you can see for keyword ideas is helpful for us as we are doing keyword research. Here you can see medium, high, low, medium, high keywords. So what is to mean? It's very simple. For medium keyword means if a company say to Google that please give me ad by typing this particular keyword, the Google will charge 106.44 rupees for just for a single click. Once you click on this, you can watch the statistics. Like for April, the searches are like this. For May, like this. For October, it just fell down, and for January. So by just viewing this report, you can choose particular keyword whatever you want, and you can start your SEO. Here you can see for low, the bid is less and the competition is less, and the average searches are very less. For medium, searches will be high, but for high competition keyword, the bid will be high, and these all these rupees will matter in PPC, which I'll discuss in my later videos. Here I think you find it very simple way to get to keyword research. I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe it. Have a great day ahead.